Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to use What3Words in Maverick GPS. This app is available on Android and it's very cool because it works offline. In Maverick GPS, you can use What3Words to add waypoints on the map, and you can also share it with your friends. Now let's see how this is done. To start, tap on the menu button in the top left corner and choose Waypoints, and then choose Add by Address. Tap on the What3Words panel. Now the 3-word address search is enabled, so I'm going to type in Times Shirt Guides. As you can see, the auto-suggest gives a list of suggestions, and I'm going to tap on this one. And now this flag here shows where this location is. Now you can also share a 3-word address of a waypoint. To do this, go to Waypoints again and tap on Browse. Choose the waypoint you want to share and tap on the Share button that's on the right. You can choose to only share the 3-word address or with the map link, so you can unselect the unnecessary information and choose the messaging service you would like to use and send according to the settings of that app. That's it. Thank you for watching. See you with the next tutorial.